Hi you guys, so today we are back with a different video. This video is Third's video and I'm just helping him to show you guys his toy collection. So this is his Pacific Rim collection and I think I will need Third to help me. Who is this guy here?
This guy?
Yeah.
Okay, that's Strikereureka. You know why his arm was destroyed? Look at here. It's by an accident. You know why? Because when I was playing with arm like a lot, I kept doing this like a lot. And I kept making punches. So I don't want to destroy this other arm too.
When you play, you just have to be careful with, twisting the arm and stuff like that because this is not made for that. I think you just have to be
careful.
Moving on, I think this is your favorite character, right?
Yep.
So is that guy?
Gipsydanger attacked by an accident. I forgot his full name, but it just had a leg broken and my pocket tried to fix it. Also, the arm broke, so I tried to move it.
Yeah. So that's what we actually found out with the NECA toys. So NECA is like a brand, I think, and with Pacific Rim, like you just really have to be careful. I think this one was damaged as well. However, Papa is this one, so you just have to be very, very careful. Actually, with all your toys, right?
Yeah. That's a Brawl Gipsydanger.
Brawl. Okay, so this one.
Chainsaw. Oh shit.
Okay. What do you call this sword? Just a sword.
There's also plenty of hands. These are his hands so he can hold the boat. But sometimes when I put the boat in his hands, it just falls instantly.
You can actually replace the arm, right? Yep. You can replace this, the hands.
Just twist it around and then it's already out. Just like you can. I'll do this for other hand because it's gonna take a while.
Okay, so he's trying to replace the hand.
There.
Okay.
There's also this thing. You see this also? That means you can replace it. It's in. Now you can hold the boat. But this is the wrong boat, but
it's alright.
I guess I'll try. So those days when I try to put it there.
So it takes some time to actually.
It takes a long time. Let's put back the hand because we might lost it.
Okay, so he's just putting back the original hand. He's gonna figure that out later. So moving on with the next
special Gipsydanger.
Okay, so he's trying to hide it.
Okay.
Okay, so
it's bigger than all the others. My hands are small. I can't carry that much.
Okay, let's take the measurement. Hold on. We're just gonna measure how tall it can. Okay, so we got.
How tall is he?
Well, I'm trying to figure that out now. Okay, so this guy. I think it's better if we just hold on. Okay. Oops. Just here.
He's very heavy.
This one is quite heavy.
He's very heavy. When I even try, okay, Mommy, you're carrying him the wrong way. What if he falls? How tall is he?
So he is like 18.2 inches. So
wait,
about 18 inches.
Can you hold the mom? Can you hold him? Wait. So
right?
how much money does it cost again?
I don't know. He didn't tell me. Anyway, Claire was very happy. Show them the picture of your new Gipsydanger.
So this is how he looks like. You can move the head, but his hand can move right around. Here is how he looks like. Why are these here? And why is there a circle here? You know why?
Why?
So there is a button over here. You see? It's a very small.
How many buttons do you have there?
Just one.
Just one button?
And then this is the battery.
Wow.
So when you open the light.
When you switch it on, right?
This has.
Wow. So what is this? The inner core?
Yes.
And what is this? It's just the light, right?
Yep.
Wow.
So this is the head. Look, it can twist around.
Okay, it can twist around. Wow.
He's 260 feet tall when he's real.
Wow.
1980 tons. 1980 tons.
Wow. Where did you get that information, Third?
Saw it from the HN Entertainment.
And
So you see this thing, right?
yeah.
When you look here, you will see like a little like thing here. You're like.
So that's where you put. Okay.
So you can put the sword in there.
Wow.
let's take it out. There.
Okay.
He sliced the kite really bad.
Yeah. Where's the other one? Show them
The
the...
other one?
Yeah.
Here. When it goes in together. Okay.
So there. When he's
Look
done.
how cool he looks.
Looks so cool.
Okay. So this one is the night mode gipsydanger. His hand cannot move like right and left, right and left. It can only move his hand up and down.
Up and down.
I forgot to show you the arms.
Okay.
So his one can also open.
Oh, right.
It's a little heavy to hold it.
Yeah, it's heavier.
So
Okay.
this one is also, I told you about the arms. His legs can move, like he can run. Okay. So this is the inner core. This is the con part.
Okay.
His head can also move just a little around.
Which is your favorite?
The biggest one.
The newest, right? Okay, the newest edition is his
Also,
favorite, you
another
guys.
one. Who is this? Like, he looks like Knifehead, but he is chernoalpha. He looks like... This is his con pod. Pod, it's the head.
Oh.
It's called the head.
The head. Okay.
The head is called con pod. What you call from the head is the... What you call
That
from
part?
a robot head is a con pod. When
Okay.
people are in.
Oh.
He can also open his hand.
Wow. Is that a weapon?
Remember, when I watched a pacificrim movie, but when I went to Netflix search pacificrim, it was already deleted. So this is what he did
So that is the...
when he was fighting.
Okay. So that one is one of his weapon.
This is Crimsontyphoon. You know, there was a tool here, but he can still move around.
What do you
He can
mean?
move back. There was a tool. Okay, let me repeat this. So there was a tool here, and then it got broke a little, but it can still move around.
Oh, so there's a tool that helps it move around. But the thing is, it got broken, but still
Can move down and up.
But it still
And it can-
works. Okay.
But this arm can also open. I can fix it because when it takes out, it's very soft to put on.
Okay.
His arms are like this. It can do.
Oops.
Excuse me, but
That's
okay.
so-
This hand can use the blade.
Wow.
When the kaiju was holding him, it's like this, and then his feet goes like this, and then like kicks him away.
Wow.
That's when they're battling the water.
Okay.
After that, when the monster used its tail to break his con pod, the gipsydanger came and then
Fights with him, right?
and after that, when they defeated him, he was looking at the city around him. After that, there was a kaiju, and then after that, he was holding the boat and then dragging it around.
The third is narrating a part of the movie
Yep.
of Pacific Rim. That's the first
But
one.
it's already deleted. You know what? You can rewatch it in YouTube because Pacific Rim is already deleted, so you can watch it in YouTube. See Tango. Remember, you know Coyotetango? This guy was in the movie.
As-
So there's only one pilot inside, but in every of this there's two pilots. You know why there's one pilot? Because one pilot I think is the The arm is still in the weapon box. I can't keep it like this because it's very hard to put in with my dad. Okay. You know what these are? This is strikereureka's hand. Take a look, guys. Over here, this is his hand that broke.
That's his arm, right?
Yep. Coyotetango.
Coyotetango's
And this
arm.
is
So this is-
gipsydanger's arm.
Hold on. That's the arm there.
And look, this is gipsydanger's arm. You know,
Or-
this plasma cannon. Come here. So when you open this, you can replace it with this.
Wow. That's so cool.
Okay, but this guy also had a chainsaw, guys. When my dad buys a new toy, I'm gonna update this video. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, so thank you very much, Third, for your time sharing your toy collection. Here, guys, once again, the Pacific Rim toy collection of 30. He loves this collection and this movie so much. And yeah, so there you guys. Bye.
Bye. Like and subscribe.
So hi, you guys. So Third has a collection.